my 2006 Subaru Impreza 2.5i single overhead cam H4 boxer engine. It's making a suspicious noise. I don't know whether it's a pulley or a bearing on maybe the timing belt, or piston slap, or tappet noise, or rod knock. But it sounds like shit. So yeah, here goes. So now we get to try to find out.